made it to Chicago, yes.
We are here in Chicago, Illinois, and we're about to check out the Ryan Trahan filming locations. We're gonna check out everything from this 50 states in 50 days, so let's go! We've been hooked on Ryan Trahan and his wife Haley's journey. Every day, our family tunes in to see what unique Airbnb they'll be staying at next. When they came to Illinois, they stayed at a one-of-a-kind factory loft. And today, we're retracing their steps. Come along with us as we visit every filming location from their Illinois trip and see what it's like to walk in their shoes. The goal today is to check out all the filming locations from Ryan Trahan's YouTube video. So we're really excited to see this, and we're going for the first stop of this filming location. As you look here, this nice Chicago skyline. So we're in Randolph, Michigan, and this is where Ryan and Haley first got started.
We just had to stop by the downtown. It's so cool here. We also have something very important to do, and that is new state unlock. Okay, ready?
This is where they did their new state unlocked. So we're gonna check out several things. One of them is the Airbnb. We're gonna check out the 7-Eleven he visited, going even to Nandos to eat, and let's see what else we can find. All right, we are now in the next place. It's time for a joyride run, and it's gonna be at the 7-Eleven that Ryan Trahan went to. So
before we arrive to the next Airbnb, Illinois joyride run.
That's a 7-Eleven that Ryan Trahan got his joyride at. You can tell because his photo had this little bar and that red house.
We're at 7-Eleven and we're gonna go and see if they have joyride so we can do our joyride run. Let's go see if they have it.
Candy. So let's see if we have any. Oh, there they do have some.
Oh, they have the watermelon wedges too.
Oh, the wedges is what they got. So we gotta get this. What are you getting?
The sour blue raspberry strips.
Shout out to all the joyride runners, going to 7-Eleven, going all over the place.
So Addison, which one do you like the best?
The blue raspberry strips.
And the weird thing, right, is that they're not blue because they don't use the dye on them.
Here it is. We made it to the Airbnb. What the?
We finally made it to Ryan Trahan's Airbnb here in Illinois. So this was an old factory that was converted into an Airbnb. And you know it's the one because if you look very closely at it, you will see the poster right over here. And also the little brick from Ryan Trahan's video. So we're in the right spot.
So we have been watching Ryan Trahan and Haley go to all 50 states this summer. It has been a fun experience being able to watch them and kind of try to guess like around what area they're going to go to and see all the fun Airbnbs throughout the United States.
Haley, what do you think of our Airbnb?
I think it's gonna be really cool inside.
So Addison, we were gonna stay at this Airbnb right behind here. There's a 2-night minimum. Guess how much it costs to stay there during the weekend for 2 nights?
For 2 nights, like combined,
Yes.
it's $1,200.
Nope, it's not $1,200. It's $4,100. So today we are just gonna take a look and show you what's around because we need more subscribers if we're gonna be staying here for $4,100.
So let's get out there and run a mile, at least, in the Windy City. See how windy it is.
The plan was to walk around and check out all the different locations. Started waiting on us, so a little bit of this tour is gonna be by car.
I think this is the place where the inflatable dragon was for the 4th of July. There's the red house.
Oh yeah, that is the red house.
Yeah, this is his route.
What he was running?
He ran all the way down Rockwell, all the way to North Avenue, and then back again.
So why am I stopped here at North Avenue when Ryan basically ran down Rockwell and then he took a right on North Avenue? He met somebody. He met G-Fed.
I'm here with
G-Fed.
G-Fed. Illinois' the spot or what?
Yeah, I love it out here. So this is where he ran to GFED, and this is where they talked and just talked about like how he liked being here in Illinois. I can tell because here's the AOG gallery, just like from the video. And it was kind of hard to find this location. So the only reason I found this location was because of the reflection. The reflection is of the Cermak Produce Fresh Market. So that's how I was able to figure out where this location was.
Driving through the city like brings back a lot of memories. I spent most of my 20s basically living in Chicago. I used to go bowling here a long time ago when I lived in the city.
And for me, I'm a suburban guy. I can't park. I barely parallel park around here. Everyone drives a lot more aggressive. So Melissa is our Chicago expert. So it's kind of difficult to drive in my opinion. During this filming location, we're getting kind of hungry.
We are at Nando's. This is where Haley wanted us to eat.
We're at Nandos now. We're gonna eat at Nandos.
Have anybody tried Nandos yet? If you have, let me know if you like it. Put it in the comments down below. And I love these film locations because it really takes us out of our usual elements and trying new things. Man, it's pretty crazy that we were able to secure this actual seat. So here's Melissa with her drink. What'd you end up getting?
I got the half of the chicken breast with a lemon and herb and a mashed potatoes.
And Rosalie, what did you get?
I got small chicken wings with apple.
It was kind of hard to find this place, but we were able to kind of like reverse engineer it. When we saw the video, shot very similar to this, across the street was Trader Joe's. So that's how we knew we were in the right place.
So I got the veggie burger with the hot sauce and no mayo on there. And I got the cauliflower on the side. I don't know if I would be able to go extra hot because this is already making my nose burn.
We also got the exact same order, chicken sandwich with cheese and pineapple.
So just like Ryan and Haley, I got the chicken sandwich burger. It has mango and lime.
That mango and lime though. That mango and lime though.
Oh my God. They weren't kidding. That's goated. Want to try what Ryan and Haley had?
Yeah.
Let me know how good it is.
That's good.
And Rosie's hard to please, so if she says that, it has to be good. Honestly, we came here just to see the place that was filmed for Ryan and Haley, but the food's actually really good. Like, I would come back here again for sure. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I love filming locations. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the address for each of the places we went to. I'm gonna put it in the description, so if you wanna do the same run that we did, feel free to do so. Just let us know how it went. Click right here to see the original video from Ryan Trahan as he visited Illinois.